Welcome to my channel, My Teacher. Hello students. The 13th lesson in 10th science is Structural Organization of Animals. In this video, we are going to learn the respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system and urinogenital system in rabbit. In the urinogenital system, you can see the male reproductive system and female reproductive system. Do you ever seen the model of a lungs? Sponge tissues present in the lungs are very nice to see. Now see the diagram of lungs of rabbit. You can see larynx, trachea, the branches bronchi, then left anterior lobe, lobules, then right anterior lobe, then right posterior lobe and left posterior lobe. What is the covering of lungs? You know, it is pleura. Atmospheric air passes through the external nostrils and nasal passages into the pharynx. From the pharynx, it passes through the glottis into the windpipe. Anterior part of the windpipe is enlarged to form the larynx or voice box with its wall supported by 4 cartilaginous plates. Inside the larynx lies the vocal cord and its vibrations result in the production of sound. The larynx leads into trachea or windpipe. Tracheal walls, they are surrounded by rings of cartilage which helps in the free passage of air. The epiglottis prevent the entry of food into the trachea through the glottis. The trachea divides into 2 branches, that is called bronchi, one entering into each lung and dividing into further branches, that is called bronchioles, which end in alveoli. The respiratory events consist of inspiration, that means breathing in, and expiration, that is breathing out, allowing exchange of gases. Which are the gases exchanged? Oxygen and carbon dioxide. Inspiration is an active process while expiration is a passive process. Name the parts of the circulatory system. Blood, blood vessels and heart. The heart is pear-shaped and lies in the thoracic cavity in between the lungs. It is enclosed by pericardium. It is a double-layered membrane. The heart is 4-chambered with 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. The right and left auricles, which are separated by interauricular septum. Similarly, right and left ventricle are separated by interventricular septum. The right auricle opens into the right ventricle by right auriculoventricular aperture. It is guarded by a tricuspid valve. The left auricle opens into the left ventricle by left auriculoventricular aperture guarded by a bicuspid valve or mitral valve. The opening of the pulmonary artery and aorta are guarded by 3 semilunar valves. The right auricle receives deoxygenated blood, that is impure blood, through the 2 precaval, that is superior vena cava, and 1 postcaval, that is inferior vena cava veins from all parts of the body. The left auricle receives oxygenated blood, that means pure blood from the pulmonary veins from the lungs. From the right ventricle arises pulmonary trunk which carries the deoxygenated blood to the lungs, and from the left ventricle arises the systemic arch, that is aorta, which supplies oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. See the parts of the brain of rabbit: olfactory lobe, cerebral hemisphere, diencephalon, optic lobes, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Nervous system. The nervous system in rabbit is formed of central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and autonomic nervous system. What are the parts of central nervous system? Brain and spinal cords. Peripheral nervous system is formed of 12 pairs of cranial nerves and 37 pairs of spinal nerves. Autonomous nervous system comprises sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves. Brain is situated in the cranial cavity. It has 3 membrane coverings. Outermost layer is dura mater, inner pia mater and a middle arachnoid membrane. The brain is divided into forebrain, that is prosencephalon, midbrain, mesencephalon and hindbrain, rhombencephalon. Forebrain consists of a pair of olfactory lobes. They are related to sense of smell. Then cerebral hemispheres and diencephalon. The right and left cerebral hemispheres are connected by a transverse band of nerve tissue called corpus callosum. The midbrain includes the optic lobes. They are related to vision. The hindbrain consists of the cerebellum, pons varolii and medulla oblongata. Urinogenital system. It comprises the urinary or excretory system and the genital or reproductive system. So, they are usually described as urinogenital system. Excretory system. You know the main organ of excretory system? It is the kidney. Each kidney is made up of several nephrons. It separates the nitrogenous waste from blood and excrete it in the form of urea. Kidneys are dark red in color. They are bean-shaped organs situated in the abdominal cavity. From each kidney arises the ureters, which open posteriorly into the urinary bladder and leads into a thick-walled muscular duct called urethra. Reproductive system. Sexual dimorphism is exhibited in rabbit. What does it mean? It shows there are male and female rabbits are there. The male and female sexes are separate and are morphologically different. The male reproductive system of rabbit consists of testis enclosed by the scrotal sac, epididymis, urethra, vas deferens and the left and right kidneys, ureter originating from the kidney, urinary bladder and a glands connected to the male reproductive system. They are prostate glands, Cowper's gland and perineal glands. The external opening is the penis. Male reproductive system consists of a pair of testes which are ovoid in shape Testes are enclosed by a covering that is called scrotal sac in the abdominal cavity. Each testis consists of numerous fine tubules called seminiferous tubules. This network of tubules lead into the coiled tubule called epididymis, which lead into the sperm duct called vas deferens. The vas deferens join in the urethra just below the urinary bladder. The urethra runs backward and passes into the penis. There are three accessory glands: prostate gland, Cowper's gland and perineal gland. Their secretions are involved in reproduction. Female reproductive system. So, it consists of a pair of ovaries which are small ovoid structure. They are located behind the kidneys in the abdominal cavity. A pair of oviducts open into the body cavity by a funnel shaped opening from each side of the ovary. The anterior part of the oviduct is the fallopian tube. It leads into a wider tube called uterus. The uterus join together to form a median tube called vagina. The common tube is formed by the union of urinary bladder and the vagina and is called the urinogenital canal or vestibule. It runs backwards and opens to the exterior by a slit like aperture called vulva. Which are the accessory glands of female reproductive system? They are Cowper's gland and perineal gland. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel, My Teaching.